Across rural India, farming communities have come a long way. Infrastructure is stronger, institutions are rooted, and communities are more organized than ever. But progress has brought new complexities, volatile markets, the climate crisis, and a generation of educated youth seeking local opportunity. For nearly 30 years, ASA has partnered with these communities to anticipate these shifts, building the resilient systems the future demands.
Over the years, with experience of 3 decades, one thing which is very clear to us, the projects do not create impacts on their own. So what works is when communities are involved from the start, when farmers take responsibilities and decisions are made collectively. So in this process, they are better governed, they are better managed, and they have better access to resources.
Today, ASA works across multiple states and thousands of villages, partnering with farmers, women's collectives, and producer organizations. Its work spans natural resource management, agriculture, and market systems, impacting lakhs of rural families every year.
पहले तो पानी नहीं रही तो सिंचाई ढुराई न हो और सिंचाई ढुराई जब हुए आशा संस्था की उनमें से बन गए स्टॉप डैम बन गए तब पानी इफराद मिलेला। सब्जी वगैरह सब लगाते हैं, गेहूं बोते हैं, चना बोते हैं और सरसों बोते हैं।
As challenges facing rural communities have evolved, so has ASA's impact. Today, the same community-led approach is enabling outcomes that go beyond livelihoods, creating regenerative farming systems that restore soil, water, and biodiversity.
Around 2009-10, there was a kind of a shift in ASA's approach. With the emerging issues of climate change, the debate that was happening around us, we adopted the sustainability also very close to the water intervention.
The real impact of this work is visible on the ground in how farmers farm, eat, and live today.
पंचपत्री काढ़ा माने जो अदरक लहसुन मिर्ची को पेस्ट बने कि आमे प्रयोग करूछु तापरे सेटा प्रयोग कला परे हमर माटी भी उर्वर होची चाष भी भलो होची हेल्दी खाना आमे पाउछु.
Moving away from chemical-intensive practices, farmers are growing food that is safer for their families and healthier for the land. As soil health improves, biodiversity returns, turning farms into living ecosystems once again. For regeneration to last, it must be supported by strong systems. ASA strengthens farmer-producer organizations to ensure that sustainable practices also deliver economic value. By organizing farmers and building market-ready institutions, ASA helps farmers access markets without compromising the land.
What truly differentiates ASA is the strength of the systems we have built over decades of working with smallholder and tribal farmers. These systems allow us to work at scale across thousands of villages while staying grounded in local realities, responsive to climate challenges, and aligned with global standards.
The impact of this work now extends beyond villages into supply chains that are rethinking how and where they source. From farms to fashion, organic and regenerative raw materials produced by ASA-supported farmers are contributing to more responsible, lower-impact sourcing. For markets, this means traceability and sustainability. For farmers, it means stability, dignity, and long-term opportunity. At its heart, ASA's work has always been about enabling communities to shape their own futures. By combining proven development models with climate-conscious practices, ASA continues to build rural systems that are economically viable, socially inclusive, and environmentally regenerative. As the world looks for sustainable solutions, ASA continues to work with farmers, restoring landscapes, strengthening livelihoods, and creating impact that endures.
हरियाली से सजी है धरती, खुशियों का पैगाम मिला। जहर मुक्त जब हुई है खेती, जीवन को नया नाम मिला। जीवन को नया नाम मिला। जीवन को नया नाम मिला। हरियाली से सजी है धरती, खुशियों का पैगाम मिला। जहर मुक्त जब हुई है खेती, जीवन को नया नाम मिला। जीवन